Ty, baby, we're waiting for a bird, right? Hey, how are you? How's it going today? I'm over here just getting ready to plant this poinsettia tree. Yes. And it's bird day and I hear birds. It's really cool. We're gonna plant it, baby. Okay. So, like I said, I've got this poinsettia here, and just sit down, babe. Yeah. It lost all its leaves like most poinsettias do in the daytime, and because they get dry, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put it next to the aloe. I thought that would be a very good place, kind of like right in the middle there. Yeah. All right. Okay. So I guess I'll hook the tripod onto that right there and see how it works. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay. I'm sure I could just prop it up right there. Oh, nice. It's working. Sort of. We'll see. Actually, I'll just leave it because it looks like a perfect shot. Yeah, that's cool. And then I could zoom in a little. Or I thought I could, but okay. So first I want to clear away those wood chips. And by the way, the aloe's doing really good, huh? And also that flowery plant that you saw, that was also a holiday plant. Ah, nature left us a beautiful green leaf. All right, so first I want to go ahead, see all the beautiful tree like blooms? So that's blooming, see? So it didn't die. They just lose their leaves, especially if you got the heater on. So let's loosen this up a little bit by squeezing the edges, and then it might just lift out. It's a little bit dry. It's easier for it to lift out. If you saw my Gardening with Corin playlist, then you'll know. Okay, so that's pretty. So we'll keep that. You know that I love plants and I'm always gardening. So yeah. Thanks, guys. I love you. All right. It'll probably poinsettia. Okay. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Okay, it's gonna be perfect. Okay. Now, instead of the hose, I didn't want to make a big ass mess. So I filled up the water bottle, and I'm gonna clear away the wood chips so I could put them back in after. Wow, I got 103 people watching right now. How are you? Mwah, Happy New Year. So, and then I dig a nice little hole about yay tall, and then plop it in, and then literally it takes me probably less than 5 minutes. But the prep work is always a few minutes, right? Grabbing the shovel. Okay, babe, so we're gonna do this. Here we go. Now I want to put it right in the middle. Little plumage there. So move the wood chips and the rocks. And I want to line it up with the aloe. Soak the ground thoroughly. There's nothing more inviting for the plant than a nice, moist environment. Oh, it's really loose. It's perfect soil around here, I'll tell you that. See, that's good. If you guys remember that last place, there was quite a bit of rocky, hard dirt to dig up, but this is real nice. See that? Perfect. So I'm making pretty identical of a hole to the size of the plant. Okay. Now we're just gonna drop it in. Remove any rocks. There we go. Now I can grab the camera and show you how I finish this up. Okay, how are you guys doing? Is that a big rock? Get that out of there. No need for that. Now, a little more dirt. Pat it. Pat it in there. Give it a little more water so it all blends together. It's a nice hot day, so that'll absorb right away. And get the little wood chips. And you'll never know that a few seconds ago there wasn't a plant there. Now let's get a few more wood chips here. Okay, so now I like to just make sure I cover any like wood chip appearances. Okay, there's a lot there, huh? So there we go. All right. How you doing, little guy? I always like to touch them. Hi, baby. She's being so patient, huh? So this guy's doing really good. I've only had to cut like 1, 2 aloe medicinal pieces. I'll probably be grabbing one of those before I go in. And voila. So thanks for joining Gardening with Corin, and let's look at it from a distance. Let's see. Perfect. I absolutely love it. How about you? I always like to rinse the shovel off, and any last minute adjustments. You love it, baby? Heck, it's the rain season anyway, so this will all blend in perfectly. So I won't be putting any more here against this short little wall because I got my motion detector lights. Oh, did I lose you? Did you guys see the part where I was just showing you? I was saying I'll probably put a medallion right there. Like from here to there. Like this I'll clean up, like make it all wood chip. And then here to here, like a stone medallion, a square one. And then from there to there, just plants. So I have a little bit of plans here, and then as you know, I have a huge backyard to do. Well, thanks for joining. It's a gorgeous day, and happy National Bird Day. We're gonna chill out here for a minute and enjoy the plant. I think she wants to walk over there now. Wanna go for a little walk? She's like, see how nicely I walk? Oh, hear that bird flapping? Hey baby, we're gonna find some birdies. They're here, I hear them all day. She's so sweet. Thanks for joining, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Make it a good one. Love you.